G'day from the Bureau with your national weather forecast around the country for Wednesday, the 7th of May. And we continue to see that dry theme continuing across much of the country as high pressure once again dominates the weather. The only wet weather around the country on Wednesday will be continuation of showers along parts of the Queensland coast and some cold fronts moving through southeastern parts of the country, bringing showers to Tasmania, southern Victoria and coastal parts of South Australia. But let's look at all of that in more detail. Firstly, in Queensland, we're going to see coastal showers across central and northern parts of the state, and we could see some of those showers move inland during the afternoon to the central highlands and coalfields. Temperatures will be in the high 20s and lots of sunshine in western parts of Queensland. Mid to high 20s along our coastal areas as well, with a mix of sun and cloud. While down in southeast Queensland, it'll be a partly cloudy day with temperatures in the mid 20s. Brisbane looking at a top of 27 degrees with partly cloudy conditions. Now down into New South Wales, we're going to see most of that shower activity we've seen over the last week or so has cleared out. Just the odd coastal shower about northeast parts of New South Wales, but generally a warm and sunny day on the way for much of the state, with temperatures in the mid to high 20s. Very unusual for this time of year. Sydney looking at a top of 27 degrees and partly cloudy conditions, and even Canberra getting into the low 20s, so we could see a late shower develop there on Wednesday night. Moving down into Victoria, another very warm day through northern and eastern parts of the state. But you can see a cold front will move quickly through southern parts of the state, and that'll bring showers and gusty winds to southwestern and south central parts of Victoria, but only very little, if any, rainfall is expected with those showers. Temperatures in the low to mid 20s for northern areas, high teens through southern areas. Melbourne looking at 21 degrees with a couple of showers during the afternoon. Moving down into Tasmania, and it is a wet and wild day through parts of Tasmania with strong and gusty winds, widespread showers through western and southern parts of the state, with a few showers getting into eastern areas as well. Temperatures quite cool as well, only getting into the low teens through western parts, even colder through central plateau areas, or temperatures in the low to mid-teens through eastern and southern areas. Hobart looking at a showery 15 degrees with strong and gusty winds. Moving up into South Australia, continuing the trend of warm and sunny weather through inland areas, we could see a couple of light showers developing through southern parts of South Australia during the day, but they will be light and they will be isolated, not the soaking rain that we really need through parts of South Australia. Adelaide looking at a couple of showers and 21 degrees. Moving into Western Australia, warm, dry weather continues there, with temperatures in the low to mid 30s through northern parts and getting into the high 20s to near 30 through some parts of southern WA as well, with just the odd coastal shower around the south coast of Western Australia. Perth looking at a sunny 27 degrees. And finally, across the tropical north, dry season really starting to ramp up there, meaning dry and sunny conditions for much of the Kimberley top end and Cape York, and much of the NT looking dry and sunny as well. Temperatures in the high 20s in the south, low 30s to mid 30s in the north. Maybe just a chance of a coastal shower across the northeast Arnhem Land or Cape York. Otherwise, a dry, warm and sunny one. 34 and partly cloudy conditions in Darwin. Now remember, if you want the latest forecast for your area, you can always get it via our website and the Bomb Weather app, and we'll see you again tomorrow.